Okay, hello guys. I know what you're thinking. What is Chloe doing in YouTube if she's making a YouTube video? Well, I'm showing you that if you look over here at the thumbnail of my Expectations versus Reality Girl Edition, then you'll see that there is a thumbnail. So I'm going to help you make a thumbnail. The two apps you will need for this is Safari and Fonto. You can go to Safari and then search up youtube.com. Once you're done with that, then you have to go to Fonto. Fonto will do the rest. All you gotta do is click this little camera at the bottom and then press plain image, and then you can press color. This will help you color it. Now I'm going to put light on the bottom and dark on the top. That makes it look really pretty. And then what you want to do is put 180, 72, and then 760. Once you press that, press done, and then oh wait, I didn't change it. So 180, 72, 187, I think, 760. Press done, and then press use the little thing. And now what you're gonna do is press these three straight lines at the bottom left corner, and then press add item at the very top, and then you're gonna add something that you want. So I like to use the fancy stuff, but on one of them I didn't. So for this one, I'm gonna put the little, these. So I'm gonna put 2. This one, I'm gonna color it right now. Press done. And then the size is gonna be a little big like that. And then I would press add text and then add my text. My text is gonna be under. I know you're probably thinking, Chloe, why are you putting under as your title? But you guys are gonna see. Now I'm gonna press it again and press add item again. Click the same thing, and then I'm going to press flip, and then I'm going to color it the same color as that by pressing this. Press done. Size has to be the same. It doesn't matter if it's a little crooked, don't worry. Then press add text again. If you want, if you're making a title like me, trying to make it fancy. Then I'm going to press, and then see that I put underwater? Now, press the little saving image in the bottom right corner. Then press PNG, and it has this box with words PNG really big inside it. And under it says save image as PNG. Then press OK. And then it's going to be saved to your photo album. Next, you have to go to Safari. Pick the video that you are going to be using. I am using this one. That's why I put underwater as the title. Now press custom thumbnail at the bottom, then press photo library, press moments, and then it will be right here it's going to say uploading, and when it's done uploading, then press next to the cancel, press save changes, and until it's gray like this, then you can't leave the app. But now that it's gray, you can leave the app, and then go to YouTube, and then you can go to my channel, and then you'll see your thumbnail right there. Mine is right there in the middle. So if you followed along, thank you. And thank you for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye.